Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account link and verification. This avoids lockouts later. Once done, open the game settings and go straight to security. Make sure your current main password works and your email or phone is accessible for recovery. Decide on a 6-digit numeric secondary password now. Pick something memorable but not obvious. Do this first, so the next steps are fast. You'll enter the chosen code twice and confirm to enable the secondary layer immediately. You'll now enable the secondary password in security. Once in the secondary password menu, enter your chosen 6-digit code and retype it to confirm accuracy. This prevents typos. Make sure the digits differ from your main password to improve protection. After confirming, enable recovery options like linked email or phone so you can reset the secondary if needed. Finally, save changes and test by logging out and back in to verify the prompt appears as expected. To finalize, test the setup. Log out and log in to trigger the secondary password prompt. If the prompt appears, enter your code and confirm access. If you get locked out, use the linked email or phone recovery flow right away to reset the secondary password. Make sure to change the secondary code periodically and track any suspicious login attempts. This keeps the layer effective. If recovery fails, contact game support with your account proof to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.